Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Samsung customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration, I'm going to open up a web browser on my mobile device. Now from here, I'm going to go to Samsung.com. This is the official website for Samsung. Now once you're here, what you want to do is navigate to where the three horizontal bars, it looks like a hamburger looking icon. Go ahead and click onto that, and now scroll down. And then you want to click on support here at the bottom of the page, and then click on contact, and then click on contact us. Now this is going to open up a new web page, so give that a few moments to load. And now once you're on this page here, you might have a chat bubble that will appear like so. You can go ahead and click onto it, and now this is, as it will say, welcome to Samsung Australian chat support. I'm making this video in Australia, so it's going to say Australia, but if you're from the UK or US, it's going to say your country. So I'm Samsung's automated chat assistant. For best results, choose from the option provided, or in a single sentence, describe the nature of your query and your product. If it can't be answered, you will be given the option to connect with a Samsung Live chat agent. So what you can do here is click on new conversation, and if you want to skip the chatbot, just say I would like to speak to a live chat agent instead, and the chatbot will redirect you to one.